Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Hotel Cabana. This is not one to rule out. This is quite a good hotel, and especially if you want more of a mix. There's English stop here and Spanish. Really good hotel. Food really good here as well. It was when we stopped. I think we stopped here about 3 or 4 years ago. I think that's when it was, yeah. We had a great time here. Obviously before we moved to Benidorm. Have a look at it. Take you down and show you the reception. This is up a little bit of an hill, this one. It's one if you have got mobility problems, get a mobility scooter. Do let you charge them in here. You can see there's a couple of scooters just coming in there. There's the reception. Lifts to all floors. Usual thing. Yeah, really good holiday. I think we're only here for a week, mind. Unusual for us. You can see where I'm filming at the moment. Okay, I'll try and do it a bit further down. Yeah, there's the pool. The little area for the kids. And the big pool there. Tempted to just go and use that one. And there's a back entrance there as well. You can go through. Looks like I got a padlock on that one there. Yeah, you used to be able to go straight through here. Just have a key thing in there. I don't know now. Maybe not. And you got the bar over the back there. Really good hotel, don't rule it out. Hotel Cabana. We'll show you the way down now. If you have got mobility problems, probably would be a scooter like. Scooter factory at the moment, Marcus. £4 a day. Ridiculously cheap. School just down here. I'm not going to show you too much of that in case kids are out. Just over the back there. Kids are out over there, so yep. School was just there. Not far out of Benidorm here, what, 15 minutes maybe. You know, leisurely place. Just trying to find some different places to film now. And there's Fancy at the bottom of the road. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal if you haven't already done so. Yes, so you have. And yeah, one coming up on the card if you want more from Benidorm. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.